But we are very, very sorry. Hindi ko siyempre lahat kami nalulungkot dahil napakataas ng ating passport figures. At ito, karamihan talaga ay dinala ng tubig. Dahil sa laki ng tubig, dahil sa bilis ng parating ng tagtag. Ang sinasabi sa atin, ang pinaghahandaan ng mga LGU officials was a storm surge. Yung papasok kami sa dagat. Pero ang talagang nangyari, last time naman. Iba yung nangyari. At hindi natin napagandaan dahil iba yung in-expect natin. But anyway, nangyari na. We will be helping the families of those na naging casualty. We will help them to recover, put them back on their feet, and do what we can to make up for the loss that we suffered. And then again, I make the same promise to Cebu, your governor, your mayor, that as long as the government, the national government is needed, we will be here. We are not leaving hanggat maayos na ang buhay at hindi na kami kailangan para sa mga tulong na yung dinadala namin, then we will engage it. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.